Hey, what's up, guys? Just a reminder to be careful out there if you're short-term trading. If you're buying these stocks before their earnings reports are released, it's been ugly, as you know. We saw UiPath down 30% after earnings. We saw Salesforce down huge. We saw Workday down huge, right? Today, after market close, Dell reported they were down big, okay? So that's why you never want to go in with a big position going into earnings, okay? It's better to react versus try to predict what's going to happen. So just remember that moving forward. But like I said, you want to stick with the best of the best right now. NVIDIA is that name. Okay, there was some negative news actually today, which brought the stock down a little bit, where the U.S. is banning some licenses to chip makers in Saudi Arabia and the Middle East because they're investigating to make sure that there's, China is not working through some of these data centers, in Saudi Arabia. So we'll see how long that lasts for, okay, and how that shakes out, right? We still don't know, okay, but it will affect NVIDIA a little bit, so that's why the stock went down today. I do think it's going to bounce back, but remember, we do have PCE inflation tomorrow. If it comes in hot, it may keep NVIDIA stock in check, okay, for the day, but at the same time, it's going to make people get away from the small caps, and more people want safety. NVIDIA is considered one of the safer, stronger conviction stocks that people are putting their money in. So I do believe if it doesn't bounce tomorrow, it'll bounce the following week, okay, leading into the stock split. But again, the moral of the story here is, guys, be careful with your trading. Don't bet the farm. A lot of these companies are not living up to where their stock price is at. And like I said, if anything misses on guidance, we saw, even if it's a little, the stocks are tanking, and that's why it's not worth it going into earnings with more than a small position. So be careful out there, guys.